Practice set 4.4 Ratio and Proportion. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Now example number first. X upon 7. Means here we take value of x is equal to 7 is equal to y upon 3. Means see here. X upon 7 is equal to y upon 3. Means what? X upon 7 is equal to y upon 3. Alphabetically x is first, letter y. So we take this y here, means by alternative is equal to, we keep this 7 here and 3 here. Did you understand? Therefore, value of x is equal to 7k. We take common multiple k. Did you understand? Therefore, x is equal to 7k and y is equal to 3k. Did you understand? But simply we write here x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3 instead of this way. Instead of writing k, we write values of x and y. X is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. Now see here. Therefore, x upon 7 is equal to y upon 3 is equal to 3x. Means 3 into 7 plus 5 into 3. Did you understand? Therefore, we write 3x plus 5y upon 7 into 3, 21 plus 5 into 3, 15. Therefore, value of 3x plus 5y upon 21 plus 15 means 36. Did you understand? Same way here also. 7 into 7 minus 9 into 3 is equal to here 7x minus 9y upon 7 into 7 49 minus 9 into 3 27. Therefore 7x minus 9y upon 49 minus 27. 9 minus 7 2. 4 minus 2 2 means 27. Now we have second example. A upon 3 means value of A is 3. B upon 4 value of B is 4. C upon 7 value of C is 7. We put here value of A 3 minus 2 into value of B 4 plus 3 into value of C. Did you understand? Value of C 7. Therefore, A minus 2B plus 3C upon 3 minus 2 into 4 8 plus 3 into 7 21. Therefore, say this A minus 2B plus 3C upon 3 minus 8 means minus 5. Sign of bigger and subtraction minus 5. Minus 5 plus 21 means 16 plus 16. We write here 16. Did you understand? Did you understand? So here no need of this. This is your answer. Next one, see here carefully. Now here 6 and here 3 means value of A is 3. Value of A is 3. So we split this 2 into 3 means what is value of A? 3. Did you understand? Minus 2 into 4 because this 4 is the value of b, plus 2 into 7, because 7 is the value of c. Did you understand? First this step, we write this step first. Now here, see everybody, 2, and this 3 is the value of a, means instead of this 3 we put there a. Did you understand? Minus 2, 4 is the value of b. Did you understand? Very simple method. Plus 2 into 7 is the value of c, upon 6 minus 8 plus 14 plus 14. Did you understand? We write addition, subtraction also here, but don't write because we have given this example. So keep as it is. This is your final answer. Did you understand? Did you understand? Then next question number 2. Question number 2. What is? See here. Question number 2. 5m minus n is equal to 3m plus 4n. Then find the values of the following expressions. I will tell you afterwards. First of all, we will find ratio m is to n, or m upon n. Now alphabetically m first. So like terms we take together. Did you understand? This right side 3m we take to left side, so becomes minus, and this minus n we take to right side. Did you understand? Becomes plus. Therefore 5m minus 3m means 2m is equal to 4n plus 1n, 5n. Alphabetically m is first, so we write m upon n. We take this n here and 2 here, right side. Did you understand? Therefore common multiple we take common multiple b k. Did you understand? Therefore m is equal to 5k and n is equal to 2k. Did you understand? Then now we take first expression. What is first expression? See here. M square plus n square upon m square minus n square is equal to, we put values of m and n respectively. Value of m 5k, here bracket square, plus value of n 2k bracket square upon same 5k bracket square minus 2k bracket square. Therefore 5 square k square plus 4k square, 2 square 4 k square upon same 25k square minus 4k square. Did you understand? Therefore 25k square plus 4k square means 29k square upon subtraction 21k square. K square, numerator denominator cancelled. So m square plus n square upon m square minus n square is equal to 29 upon 21. Example number second, 3m plus 4n upon 3m minus 4n. Now we put values of m and n respectively. See here, 3 into value of m 5k, 3 into 5k plus 4 into value of n 2k upon same to same, only middle sign that is different, means minus 3 into 5k minus 4 into 2k. Therefore 3 into 5 15k plus 4 into 2 8 and k upon 15k minus 8k is equal to 15k plus 8k 23k upon 15k minus 8k means 7k, kk cancelled. Therefore 3m plus 4n upon 3m minus 4n is equal to 23 upon 7.